to mid-30s.
The National Weather Service in Pueblo has just activated the emergency alert system as a test. The warning alarms on weather radio stations WXM 52, WWG 44, WNG 579, KJY 81, WWG 23, WXM 54, WXM 56, KWN 60, and WNG 664 have also been activated as a test. During potentially hazardous weather situations, broadcasters and officials participating in the emergency alert system and those with specially built weather radio receivers are automatically notified of the hazard by the preceding digital code and warning alarm. Tests with the digital code and warning alarm are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If hazardous weather threatens near normal test time, the test is postponed to the first good weather day. The digital code and warning alarm will be activated for